Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign here. So then it's going to take you to this list and you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video. So it's going to take a time. Then all you have to do, you just click here on visibility here. Then it's going to take you to this list. You go down and you come here to profile discovery. Sorry, you click here on profile discovery and visibility of LinkedIn. Just click on it. So then you come here to profile visibility outside LinkedIn. Just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.